pristine home, testament to all those that are here today. You'll have no problem living in this location in this fine abode that will even impress the mother-in-law. Right, so, who's got a number?
770.
Oh, okay, right, okay, 770. Good luck. At 770, that was real fast. That's a world record. Good luck. Usually I've got to get down on my knees and beg. At 770,000, we are underway. Look, this. Did you say 780? Stage at 780,000 does not surprise me at 780. At 800,000, very clear instructions at 800,000. Anyone else can interrupt at any stage and hold tight, team, at 800,000 and a bit now. 810 at 810. At 810,000 and a bit. Balling away nicely at 810. 820 at 8. Can I suggest putting up another rate? Put up the 888, guys. That's okay, I'll stand by you all afternoon. Deep concentration, I know it's at stake here, no rush, but at 880,000 and a bit now. 883. My lip reading skills are not what they used to be. But 883. 885. And that's only 10% down today. Hard to find another one of this calibre. Last chance at 890,000. Bruce, your people can have a breather. They can consider their options. Stewie, your good lady, we are on the market and selling. Stewie, your good lady here at $890,000. Now, anyone can upgrade their participation at this point in stake. At 890,000 and a bit. 91, of course, you've got to fight for good terra firma and good property that it is. At 891. 92. At 92 and a bit now. 2,000. Twice. Trace. Last chance. As we enter the valley of no second chances. Are you sure, guys? But thank you for having a go. At 892, it goes and goes. Time you do it again. It is so.
Should say 4.
Yeah.